cell cycle and cell division. Top 50. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which phase of the cell cycle is the longest? A. S phase. B. G2 phase. C. M phase. D. Interphase. Answer. D. Interphase. 2. During which phase of the cell cycle does DNA synthesis take place? A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. M phase. Answer. B. S phase. 3. What is the duration of cell cycle in yeast? A. 30 minutes. B. 24 hours. C. 90 minutes. D. 48 hours. Answer. C. 90 minutes. 4. Which of these is the correct order of events in the cell cycle? A. G1 right pointing arrow, G2 right pointing arrow, S right pointing arrow, M. B. G1 right pointing arrow, S right pointing arrow, G2 right pointing arrow, M. C. S right pointing arrow, M right pointing arrow, G1 right pointing arrow, G2. D. G1 right pointing arrow, G2 right pointing arrow, M right pointing arrow, S. Answer. B. G1 right pointing arrow, S right pointing arrow, G2 right pointing arrow, M. 5. What is the average cell cycle span for a human cell? A. 90 minutes. B. 24 hours. C. 1 hour. D. 48 hours. Answer. B. 24 hours. 6. Which of these processes is not a part of the cell cycle? A. Duplication of genome. B. Division into daughter cells. C. Synthesis of cell organelles. D. Degeneration of centrosome. Answer. D. Degeneration of centrosome. 7. How much time of the entire cell cycle is occupied by interphase? A. 75%. B. 95%. C. 50%. D. 80%. Answer. B. 95%. 8. Which of the following processes is not a part of the cell cycle? A. Duplication of genome. B. Division into daughter cells. C. Synthesis of cell organelles. D. Degeneration of centrosome. Answer. D. Degeneration of centrosome. 9. Which of the following events occurs during prophase? A. Chromosomes align at the metaphase plate. B. Chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes. C. Sister chromatids separate. D. Nuclear envelope reforms. Answer. B. Chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes. 10. What disappears during the late prophase of mitosis? A. Centrosome. B. Nucleolus and nuclear envelope. C. Spindle fibers. D. Asters. Answer. B. Nucleolus and nuclear envelope. 11. Which of the following is a characteristic event of prophase I of meiosis, but not prophase of mitosis? A. Condensation of chromosomes. B. Formation of the spindle apparatus. C. Pairing of homologous chromosomes, synapses, and crossing over. D. Separation of sister chromatids. Answer. C. Pairing of homologous chromosomes, synapses, and crossing over. 12. In the context of prophase, what are the asters? A. The condensed chromosomes themselves. B. Structures in animal cells that radiate from the centrosomes. C. The point where sister chromatids are joined. D. Structures formed during anaphase. Answer. B. Structures in animal cells that radiate from the centrosomes. 13. The cell component that becomes visible only during cell division is A. Mitochondria. B. Chloroplast. C. Chromosome. D. Chromatin. Answer. C. Chromosome. 14. Chromosomes get aligned at the center of the cell during A. Anaphase. B. Metaphase. C. Prophase. D. Telophase. Answer. B. Metaphase. 15. Which of the following is a key event of metaphase? A. Chromosomes decondense. B. Spindle fibers attach to centromeres. C. Cell plate formation begins. D. Homologous chromosomes pair up. Answer. B. Spindle fibers attach to centromeres. 16. In which stage do the sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles? A. Metaphase I of meiosis. B. Prophase of mitosis. C. Anaphase of mitosis and anaphase II of meiosis. D. Telophase of mitosis. Answer. C. Anaphase of mitosis and anaphase II of meiosis. 17. Which of the following is not a part of the mitotic phase? A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. Metaphase. Answer. D. Metaphase. 18. In a cell that has 5 pairs of chromosomes, how many chromosomes will be aligned at the metaphase plate during metaphase of mitosis? A. 5. B. 10. C. 20. D. 40. Answer. B. 10. 19. Which of the following events is characteristic of the anaphase stage of mitosis? A. Separation of homologous chromosomes. B. Separation of sister chromatids. C. Pairing of homologous chromosomes. D. The centromere splits, and sister chromatids move to opposite poles. Answer. D. The centromere splits, and sister chromatids move to opposite poles. 20. In which stage of cell division does the separation of sister chromatids occur? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer. C. Anaphase. 21. Which of the following events is characteristic of telophase? A. Condensation of chromosomes. B. Breakdown of nuclear envelope. C. Reappearance of nucleoli. D. Formation of the metaphase plate. Answer. C. Reappearance of nucleoli. 22. The nuclear envelope begins to reform around the separated chromosomes in A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer. D. Telophase. 23. During telophase, the chromosomes A. Reach the opposite poles. B. Undergo cytokinesis. C. Decondense and return to the chromatin state. D. Remain condensed and distinct. Answer. C. Decondense and return to the chromatin state. 24. Which of the following structures reappears during telophase? A. Astral rays. B. Spindle fibers. C. Nucleolus. D. Centriole. Answer. C. Nucleolus. 25. What is the primary function of cytokinesis? A. The division of the nucleus. B. The replication of DNA. C. The division of the cytoplasm into 2 daughter cells. D. The formation of the spindle fibers. Answer. C. The division of the cytoplasm into 2 daughter cells. 26. In which phase does the cytoplasm divide into 2 daughter cells? A. Interphase. B. M phase. C. S phase. D. G1 phase. Answer. B. M phase. 27. Which of the following statements is true for cytokinesis? A. It is the same as karyokinesis. B. It involves the division of the nucleus. C. It results in the formation of 2 daughter nuclei. D. It is the division of the cytoplasm. Answer. D. It is the division of the cytoplasm. 28. Why is mitosis important to multicellular organisms? A. It produces gametes. B. It reduces the chromosome number by half. C. It produces new cells for growth and the replacement of worn-out cells. D. It creates genetic variation in the offspring. Answer. C. It produces new cells for growth and the replacement of worn-out cells. 29. Which of the following is a key function of mitosis? A. Sexual reproduction. B. Asexual reproduction. C. Production of haploid cells. D. Genetic recombination. Answer. B. Asexual reproduction. 30. What happens to the chromosome number in daughter cells after mitosis? A. It is halved. B. It is doubled. C. It remains the same as the parent cell. D. It depends on the type of organism. Answer. C. It remains the same as the parent cell. 31. In humans, which cells undergo mitosis for the growth of the body? A. Germ cells. B. Nerve cells. C. Somatic cells. D. Sperm and egg cells. Answer. C. Somatic cells. 32. What is the significance of mitosis in a single-celled organism? A. It is the process of sexual reproduction. B. It is the process of asexual reproduction. C. It is a mechanism for creating diversity. D. It is a process for growth only. Answer. B. It is the process of asexual reproduction. 33. A bivalent in prophase I of meiosis consists of A. 2 homologous chromosomes. B. 2 sister chromatids. C. 4 homologous chromosomes. D. 4 sister chromatids. Answer. A. 2 homologous chromosomes. 34. Crossing over, the exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes, occurs during which stage of prophase I? A. Leptoten. B. Zygoten. C. Pachyton. D. Diploten. Answer. C. Pachyton. 35. Homologous chromosomes separate from each other and move towards opposite poles. During A. Metaphase I. B. Anaphase I. C. Telophase I. D. Anaphase II. Answer. B. Anaphase I. 36. The structure where homologous chromosomes remain attached after the synaptonemal complex disassembles is called A. Bivalent. B. Tetrad. C. Chiasma. D. Synaptonemal complex. Answer. C. Chiasma. 37. Which of the following is a key difference between prophase I of meiosis and prophase of mitosis? A. The formation of bivalents in prophase I. B. The presence of a single bivalent in prophase I. C. The presence of two bivalents in prophase I. D. The absence of bivalents in prophase I. Answer. A. The formation of bivalents in prophase I. 38. What separates during anaphase II of meiosis? A. Homologous chromosomes. B. Sister chromatids. C. Centromeres. D. Bivalents. Answer. B. Sister chromatids. 39. Which of the following is a connecting link between meiosis I and meiosis II? A. Interphase. B. Interkinesis. C. Prophase II. D. Cytokinesis. Answer. B. Interkinesis. 40. How many cells are produced at the end of meiosis II? A. 2 haploid cells. B. 2 diploid cells. C. 4 haploid cells. D. 4 diploid cells. Answer. C. 4 haploid cells. 41. Which of the following events does not occur during the stages of meiosis II? A. Chromosome condensation. B. Spindle fiber formation. C. DNA replication. D. Chromosome movement to poles. Answer. C. DNA replication. 42. What is the most important significance of meiosis? A. It increases variations in the gene pool of the species, which helps in evolution. B. It causes growth in multicellular organisms. C. It conserves the specific number of chromosomes in each species across generations. D. Both A and C. Answer. D. Both A and C. 43. Meiosis in diploid organisms results in A. Production of gametes. B. Reduction in the number of chromosomes. C. Introduction of variation. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 44. Which statement best describes the role of meiosis in the life cycle of a sexually reproducing organism? A. It creates genetically identical daughter cells for growth and repair. B. It produces gametes with half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. C. It is a form of asexual reproduction. D. It ensures that each offspring is genetically identical to its parents. Answer. B. It produces gametes with half the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. 45. The genetic variation introduced during meiosis is primarily due to A. DNA replication during the S phase. B. Separation of sister chromatids during anaphase II. C. Crossing over in the independent assortment of homologous chromosomes. D. The fusion of two haploid gametes. Answer. C. The exchange of genetic material between homologous chromosomes. 46. Which of the following is a correct statement about interphase? A. The cell undergoes division during this phase. B. The cell grows and replicates its DNA during interphase. C. Interphase is the shortest phase of the cell cycle. D. It is a period of cellular inactivity. Answer. B. The cell grows and replicates its DNA during interphase. 47. During the cell cycle, DNA synthesis occurs in which phase? A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. M phase. Answer. B. S phase. 48. What is the primary event that occurs during the G1 phase of interphase? A. DNA replication. B. Cell growth and synthesis of proteins and RNA. C. Chromosome condensation. D. Formation of the mitotic spindle. Answer. B. Cell growth and synthesis of proteins and RNA. 49. Which phase of the cell cycle is considered the longest? A. M phase. B. G2 phase. C. G1 phase. D. Interphase. Answer. D. Interphase. 50. During which phase of interphase does the cell prepare for mitosis by synthesizing the necessary proteins and RNA? A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. None of the above. Answer. C. G2 phase. Thank you and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.